Hey everybody, this is Desert Lumens once again bringing you another first impressions video. Tonight we're going to show the Wuben E01. This is a fantastic everyday carry flashlight that's good for your keychain. Now I'm going to put this light down really quick just to show you what you get. Unfortunately the box it comes in, there's no way to salvage the box and open it. And you know, let's face it, I don't have the patience for that anyway. So the box is destroyed, but I have the stats and I'll let you know. You get a little product operation manual here. It's written in two languages, Chinese and English. And as you can see, it just tells you some simple things. You also get 2 O-rings and a nice heavy duty keychain attachment here. The flashlight is, like I said, 100 lumens, operates on 1 AAA battery. This flashlight has a fantastic moonlight and it's at 1 lumen. Then the next step up is 20 lumens, then max 100 lumens. It also has a hidden SOS mode, and that SOS mode is 20 lumens, and you get that by double clicking the button. Now, this flashlight may look a little familiar, and if you're thinking about the Lumen Top Tool AAA, you're exactly right. It falls in the same category as an everyday carry light that'll go on your keychain. They're about the same height, you know, they're almost identical. And just for comparison here, this is the Thorfire TK01, also a keychain flashlight. And as you can see, the similarities in height. This one is 85 lumens. This one is 110 lumens. And this one is 100 lumens. Now, I want to say this. Right off the bat, the E01 has a coating on it. I can't describe it, but it is the smoothest flashlight I've ever held. The knurling on here is very aggressive and rough. It's really good grip. That's not a problem. But the flashlight just feels silky. That's a funny word to say, I know, and you don't really hear someone describe a flashlight as silky, right? But that's kind of what it feels like. It's very smooth. And as you can see, even the clips here are they're identical on the tool and on the Wuben. Now the difference is, the tool, you can get this on a good day. You can get it for $18.99, and it comes with the clicky type tail cap, and it comes with a magnetic tail cap, and also all the O-rings and flat keychain attachments, stuff like that. While this one, the Wuben, is cheaper. You can have Martin, MadMax.com, Martin Rathmoner. He has codes for this that'll make this flashlight significantly cheaper than the Lumen Top. So this flashlight is way better bargain. At the end of the video here, I'll go over some comparison stats for you. But let's look at how the flashlight is built. The anodizing, the print of the logo is perfect. And I love how they put the name on the tail cap. As you can see, it says Wuben. And it's a beautiful, beautiful flashlight. Okay, let's open her up here. You can see the rear tail cap. Nice thick spring. Threads are nice, lubricated. It came with this Duracell OEM cell. You know, it's not rechargeable. So, you know, you might want to pick up one of those if you don't have them already. And let's open up so you can see the head here. There we go. Very nice, very nice. Wuben there. They make such high quality flashlights. I'm such a huge fan of theirs. And even as something at this price point to be built so good, it speaks volumes about the company. This flashlight can be operated in a few different ways. Now, you can turn the flashlight on and go through a series of half clicks to change the modes. Or just like the Lumen Top tool, you can have the flashlight on and unscrew the head and then keep screwing it back and forth to change modes. Now, as you can see here, I'm gonna double click. Oops. I'll double click and there's SOS. So this is a real nice flashlight. This also has IPX8. It has that means it has 2 meters. It can be underwater and for up to an hour. And the flashlight is rated at 395 candela. It has 1 meter of drop resistance. Now, we're going to do some comparisons here so you can decide for yourself which one is the better deal for you. The Tool AAA is, let me grab it here. The AAA tool is 110 lumens. At 110 lumens, it'll last for 30 minutes on the battery. The Wuben E01 is 100 lumens and it'll last for 1 hour. Plus, it has an SOS and it has a lower moonlight. The moonlight for the tool, I believe, was 5 lumens. And I prefer a lower moonlight. And so the Wuben is already the better value so far. Now, if we grab the Thorfire TK01 here, this is only 85 lumens. And in the manual and on their website, they did not state how long battery life will last. They just stated that it just varies per battery, which is true. But I would have liked if they would have just, you know, given a generalization about how long the battery might last. Now, the TK01 has only 30 meters of throw. The Tool AAA has 47 meters of throw, while the Wuben E01 has 40 meters of throw. Now, if you're looking for any kind of a keychain or a small flashlight to complement any other medium size or full size flashlight for your everyday carry, either on a keychain or in your pocket, your bag, or clipped on a zipper pull, either one of these flashlights, either one of the 3 will do you, you know. But I really, really love the Wuben E01 here. I'm very, very impressed. And Wuben just keeps on surprising me with every flashlight they come out with. It's just really good. I mean, everything is just machined so nice. So this has been Desert Lumens, bringing you a first impression of the Wuben E01. I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe and like the video. And next to the subscribe button, there'll be a bell. If you can please click that bell, and that will give you a notification signal when I upload new content, so you'll be notified of that. I will leave links down to every one of the flashlights that I talked about in this video, and I'll be sure to put down Martin's website down at the bottom, so if you can look for some codes and get all of these lights at a deal. So this is once again Desert Lumens. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and you guys have a great weekend. God bless you. Good night.